Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to see WhatsApp video in Photos app on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to see WhatsApp video in Photos app or in media, all you need to do is go ahead and open the WhatsApp application, then locate the video, go ahead and click on the video once. Once you click on the video once, locate and click on the three dots at the top right. Once you click on that, click on all media, then you should see the video here under media. You see that? So if you click on three dots, select all media, then this is going to pop under media on your iPhone. So that is basically how you can easily see WhatsApp video in media on iPhone. And if you want to go through the phone app, all you need to do is go ahead and open the phone app. And if you want to go through the Photos app, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Photos app. So just search for Photos, open it. And then once you search for the Photos app, come here and click on videos under media types. Once you selected video, then you should see the video here. Then you can go ahead and open it. You see that? So that's exactly how you can see WhatsApp video in Photos app. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.